Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So everybody's working on their Thanksgiving, getting ready for the Thanksgiving dinner today, and the market is getting ready to close up shop until, we got another half a day on Friday. But today I really want to talk about like the rates that we're currently paying. The Fed fund rates is 4% right now. And that being said, I really think that, the whole market, people think that it's toppy and everything like that. That there's so much, all the bear cases out there that's going around. I thinking that this is an AI bubble and all that. Well, basically, my point is that the rates are so high right now, 4% compared to when we were in 0% interest rate times, that I really think that the Fed has a ton of ammunition left if they need to ever lower rates, when it could happen in the very near future, when they need to lower rates. So I think that's going to be a boost next year for the economy and everything else, because we're already running high right now, 4% Fed funds rate. So it's pretty high compared to when we had 0% days. So I really think that, the Fed, and then Trump, when he gets his new guy in there, that they're going to have a lot more room to run to really drop the rates down to get this economy kickstart off to, I think what it's going to be like kind of the third or the fourth quarter of this bull run, which I think bull run's going to still happen. I think it's just it's going to need those when the Fed, Powell lowers rates, and then when eventually Trump wants to get his new guy in there, he's going to be, trying to push the rates down to zero, and it's just going to keep adding. The printing presses are going to keep adding money to the markets, and you're just going to have this continuation, another bull run, I think, continue on. That's my thoughts there. And all these AI stocks, all the regular stocks, every other cyclical stocks are going to keep running up. And we may have a little dip next year, but I think it's really the rates are going to be the gatekeeper, kind of. It keeps the market going. And I think some parts of inflation are under control, but if you look at the grocery stores and all that stuff, inflation really isn't under control for a lot of things. But supposedly Trump's trying to kick off another 2K, bonus check for Americans, which I believe it when I see it. I don't think we're so much in debt as it is. The money we got from tariffs don't even count for anything really. They say that 2K check doesn't even equal, the amount that we're getting back in tariffs. We're still in the hole, so we're constantly in the hole, in debt. So eventually that's gonna bite us. But they just keep printing presses, just keep going forward and keep printing the money, which I think they're not gonna change that for these, the coming year, and I think the next time they meet, I think it's in December, they're gonna drop interest rates like another quarter, and I think that's gonna be a good thing to the market. So maybe that's gonna kick off the Santa Claus rally, and then if it's down a quarter, then it's 375. Then we got some more like 375. It's gonna keep dropping the rates, and then I think it's gonna boost the economy and the stock market that goes with it. I think maybe just a couple bad job reports, and then they're finally going to wake up and see that this economy isn't as great as it's caught up to be. Just my 2 cents there. And if you found this video interesting or like this video, hit like, subscribe. Like, more subscribers the better to be on board. And I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving tomorrow and Black Friday and all that. But I'll be back online. And again, this is my 2 cents, not a financial advisor. It's just my opinion here. And yeah, definitely come and join the ride and subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna have more videos to come. But yeah, just my talk here, just driving home, that yeah, I do definitely think that the rates are gonna help things out with the economy, that they're so high right now, considering speaking, that they have room to drop. So I think that's going to be fuel to the fire for the markets, that it's going to push the rates lower, and then we're going to increase the whole stock market is going to follow upwards, and it might even help crypto as well. So they'll both go hand in hand, because everything seems to always be tied together. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. And happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy tomorrow. Peace.